Hakashitarik Ujamang Kirkot Jungasinjuk Meghalaya Joint Council of Trade Union Mjctu Kila Rakhe Burom Sngi ki Nongtrei Mede ki bakentup yakitra kamjong ki Sarkar India but Meghalaya ki bakentup yaka taxation trades banks. Hakani Sngi ki Kirkot Jungani Kalumpung Kila Rai Bantre Shitom Bante Song yaki para Nongtrei Baro Banyale Presha yaki an jong Sarkar ki batmu bantom yaki hok jong ki Nongtrei but ki Nong Belasngi. Kila rai ru banyeng scam haki nongrem jong ka baha ka miat jong ki pai pa ka hok banlait na ka jingsha ate sha khom haki an ki ba persha e ki Nongtrei ki nong bela bat banya kun persha ru ya ka jingban ben jong ki company he seng ki ba bat halaki kti ye ki lat kamai ka ji jong ki Nongtrei da ka ba khnyot ya ka dor bela ka bam ya ha bat ka long briu man briu jong ki Nongtrei KMJCTU kalaperta jamru bakan yeng klem rate banya dai ki Nongtrei kenthei da ka badawa beki dei banyo ya kamai kaji ka berin kat lem bat ki Nongtrei salon sar.
For the decision which will strangle the people. During election time there was no load shedding. Election over, ministry came and within 1 week load shedding started. Can't you get power supply from national grid? You are saying you don't have money, but every other day our chief minister is going to Delhi begging money. Where does money goes? Is it going to the third party fund? You are getting so much assistance from the central government, but nothing is coming for the people. Even you are not able to supply power. This is sheer indiscrimination, sheer exploitation, and sheer torturing the people. Students are in distress. And then other issue that we can talk about is that Shillong has become a horrible place, not only Shillong, in terms of traffic jam. What is the plan of the government? They will hire some expert from Japan, from France, who does not have any knowledge about the local situation. Is it the way to solve it? Control of traffic and the fares, rates collected by the taxi fares has got no rationalization. There is no public bus service. Even if it is a skeletal public bus service, it does not happen. As we are standing here, not a single public bus service, I have not seen that, not a single going this way. How? What is for government? This is an welfare state. And government does not listen to what or do anything for the public. We can't remain silent on these issues. These are to be raised time to time, and we must force the government to listen to the voices of the people. Again, there are many issues to talk about. We have talked only basically on the resolution part. And thank you for listening me and giving me the opportunity to serve the MJCTU even while I am staying outside Shillong. Thank you very much.
Burom kuwan hakani step ban bantisoi namatagani gamidi celebration jongi di hakani gamidi mangi kum Nongtrei gidan sibun kijing dawa ng sarkar gawai Walang sarkar minta kaile kumno ban penkela ban privatize ya kikam kijam adian nangka kaile kumno ban pen prime ya ni Nongtrei bat da bawan ra ikini Nongtrei bat kum tang sipor tang contractual levels da bala ban knyot yaki hakapay nang bayni nangta akarukum train nakam kajam jongki de mangi kumga union di persya ay gani di dawa baga sarkar tamday ban henben ini Nongtrei da ka baknyot yangi bat kinjuro hakdan ni kapor menta wingi ba Sarkar India kadang EU yang ke NPS kelak thar committee ngi yang persya But mengi nak ke income tax men hakaski sajan ipenong ke convention. Man persya ke NPS. Sarkar hau penai leber mentau senam datar of committee kini kita kibut kumno ban penjalan ya kajing dawa jungi ban pen sange ke NPS ban ra biang sing niga old pension scheme. Ti hakane kasni lemah kajing dan jongpi ikurmen baka sarkar dan snap ini bat ya kajing dawa jungi Nongtrei ban kenyot ben ban le stom anda kini kubei sibon fi borok kubei
fi borok kubei kani ka video ta Sngi ni hamni po CTU idan kani ka demonstration ban celebrate pada May hamni ladon bon ki seng bon ki bawan ke postal department, BSNL, ke income tax, the banking sector, the insurance, ban away deh. Iwan ni ban peni, ban pen Sngi, akhmat dengan sarkar, bangi persya, ya kajing di policy dengan sarkar di Burom anti worker, anti poor, but kini ki policy thamai jongki kiba pen ruspa, tangi kiba ruspa kita capitalists, company onong Nongtrei kiba you right ya ka hok jong ki Nongtrei mentang ini ke sarkar jungi kemudian sentra state kilong ke persya ya ki brio kiba kwa kiba ai manpuan untuk ki shmet kamtam namta ki Nongtrei sarkar idon ki national pension scheme kematmai apa kibrio anda gila song thaj ke pension ke idai banyo hok ke badai banyo 100% ke basic ndrei hakani ke NPS minta what 10% ngan bayo kita ngidon ki ban peni ngidon ki fax ki ban peni bri bla song thaj yo pension na ki yo tang ba 1000 sisi o 1000 sibnai ngidon ki bio 1000 sibnai ndrei barang shem hak new pension old pension scheme idai ban yo makumno life of hajar but life of hajar itu pada yo ka last basic pay jungki pada ko hajar itu pada last basic pay jungki pada 10 hajar di ban yo atau hajar ngrei akan ni new national pension scheme yo itu bayo di ban yo life of hajar yo ar hajar itu ban yo ar hajar yo tang hajar kini ke gedong peni bag sarkar kam don jing Sngi kam don jing ye tam ta ki Nongtrei jungi akwa tam ban sim ban kain tang yan dehi je akan kini ke sini golong ke sini perkang kau perkang kerpang yang ini nomor kita ke sini ngi celebrate ngi jing dap chispa senam jangan jing celebrate dengan media lingkong rasbang achenai dak media madras lagi nong madras je lagi Nongtrei madras buat kita kani media celebration nang he Nongtrei nampak polisi penturan